Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access extended hours trading for US stocks in Trading 212. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you're looking to trade US stocks beyond regular market hours, here's how you can do it. First, open the Trading 212 app and navigate to the Invest or ISA account section. Ensure you're viewing a US stock listed on the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. Next, when placing an order, look for the 24/5 trading toggle above the Review Order button. Switch this on, enables trading during extended hours, including pre-market, after hours, and overnight sessions. Then be aware that while all US stocks are available for extended hours trading, the 24/5 trading feature is being gradually rolled out. Currently, a significant number of stocks support this, with full rollout expected by Q1 2025. After that, understand that trading during extended hours comes with risks such as lower liquidity and higher volatility. Finally, remember that you can toggle the 24/5 trading option on or off for each individual order. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.